Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Nina and the Baby Sparrow from NCERT English Marigold book of CBSE class 3rd. Nina and the Baby Sparrows. There was great joy in Nina's house. Nina's aunt was getting married. Nina, her father, mother, and little brother were all going to Delhi for a wedding. Everyone was happy except Nina. Her mother took her to market to buy a new dress. What color would you like? Mother asked. I don't want a new dress, mother, said Nina. Salwar kameez then? Nina shook her head. What about those lovely white shoes you saw last week? I don't want those either. Thank you, mother. See, students, Nina and her family members were going to Delhi for a wedding of aunt, and everyone was happy in the house, but Nina was not happy. Her mother took her to market to take new dress and asked about color. What color would you like to take? But Nina said, I don't want to take any dress. And mother asked for salwar kameez. Then she just shook her head. Then mother remembered that last week she has seen lovely white shoes. Then she said, I don't want those either, and said thank you to mother. Nina's mother was upset, but she said nothing. They went back home and had lunch. After lunch, mother came and sat near Nina. What is it, child? She asked. Why did you say no to everything? Here, Nina's mother was upset because of behavior of Nina. She took her to market to take new dress or shoes, but Nina was not happy to take any dress or to select dress or shoes. So, her mother said nothing, but when they went back home and had lunch, after lunch, mother came to her and asked her, What is it? Why did you say no to everything? See next part of the story. Mother, I don't want to go to the wedding. But why? Nina said nothing instead. Two big tears rolled down her cheeks. Mother put her arms around Nina. Don't cry, my pet, she said. Why don't you tell me what's bothering you? More tears rolled down Nina's cheeks. Mother, she said, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. Nina said to her mother, I don't want to go to the wedding, and started to cry. So Nina's mother put her arms around Nina and said, Don't cry, my pet, and tell me what happened. What's bothering you and why you don't want to come to the wedding? So Nina said, Mother, there is a sparrow's nest on the bookshelf in my room, and there are two baby sparrows in the nest. I see, said mother. They are just beginning to get their feathers, and growing up makes them so hungry. All day long they cry cheep cheep asking for food. I see, said mother. If we go, the whole place will be locked. And how will Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? Oh, Nina, cried mother, giving her a big hug. Is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We all leave the window open. Oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really? Yes, we will remove all your things from the room and lock the door on the outside. So the house will be perfectly safe. Nina said to her mother, Mother, there are two baby sparrows in my room, and they are going from growing up stage. So all the day long they are crying cheep cheep and asking for food. If we will go for marriage and the whole place will be locked, then how that Papa and Mama sparrows feed their babies? So mother said, is that why you don't want to go to the wedding? But that's no problem at all. We all leave the window open. Then Mama and Papa sparrows can come and go freely from window to feed their babies. After listening this, Nina was so happy and said, Oh, can we, mother? Can we? Really? Papa and Mama sparrows can come and go freely too. Just think, Nina, while you enjoy yourself at the wedding, the baby sparrows will be getting nice and fat in their nest. Good idea, isn't it? It was a good idea. When Nina came back from the wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room, and wasn't Nina thrilled? Nina kept her room's window open, so Papa and Mama Sparrows was freely coming and going there and feeding to their babies. That baby sparrows was getting nice food from their mama and papa. When Nina came from wedding, there were two plump little sparrows flying all over the room. It means that baby sparrows were growing up nicely and they were ready to fly all over the room. And Nina was so happy by seeing them flying all over her room. Now there are some new words that we will read: market, bother, problem, dress, upset, remove, and wedding. Now we will see some questions answer in reading is fun. So let's start with first question. Why was there great joy in Nina's house? There was great joy in Nina's house as Nina's aunt was getting married. Now, second number question. Why was Nina worried? Nina was worried about the baby sparrow in the nest that would be left hungry if no one remained at home on the day of the wedding. Now we will see third number question. What did mother suggest? Mother suggests that the window will be left open so that mama and papa sparrows can feed their baby sparrows in the nest. Let's see fourth number question. What did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Nina found two plump baby sparrows flying all over the room. It's talking time with friends. So let's discuss given two questions. How do baby sparrows eat? I think baby sparrows eat and every half hour and they eat very little. What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? You can say, I would like to wear long white frock and I would also like to wear a golden crown. Okay, like this way you can discuss with your friend. Now we want to see one picture story. Number the jumbled picture story correctly. Then write the story in proper order. Now we will arrange the story in proper order. So let's start. So I think first is Nina is sad. Then second one, mother asks why. Then third one, Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Then mother says we will leave the window open. And fifth last one is Nina is happy again. Now it's activity and team time. Would you like to have birds visiting you every day? Try making a bird bath and a feeding corner for birds. You can place a bowl of water in a quiet corner of the school playground. Leave bread crumbs, grains, etc. for your feathered friends. In the picture, you can observe how a bowl has kept there. After that, you can draw and color a bird which you like most in your notebook. We have one interesting activity here. Let's make a bird. Things you need: old greeting cards, dal, black bindi, beads for eyes, and then scissors, gum, old newspaper, old shoe lace. First, collect all the things which you need for this activity. All has given in the list. Now see steps for activity. Make an outline of the bird on a greeting card and cut it out. Then cut a small square from an old newspaper and fold it to make a fan. Keep the fan closed. Then third one, pass the folded fan through the cut on the bird's back and now open the folds of the fan. Then fourth one, make the eye by sticking a bindi. And fifth one, paste a string or old shoelace to hang the bird. This way you can make hanging bird. You want to collect all the things which needed for this activity and read these steps for understanding. Now write down suitable words describing each picture. Describing words means adjectives. It means you want to put adjective before noun. Pick up the words from the list given below. So let's start. A dash woman. I think this woman is fatty, so we can write here a fat woman. Then a red rose. Then a happy boy, because boy is looking happy. Then a beautiful peacock. Then a blackboard. And at last, a tall man. I hope you have understood the lesson. For better understanding, you can write all the exercise questions and activities in the notebook. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share, subscribe our channel to get more videos on NCERT classes.